So anyway, I'm shooting Mockingbird's nest outside, and I've got this GoPro Hero 10, which I'm using, and then I have an iPhone 10 Pro Max that I'm using. So we're going to show you the difference between these two videos that I shot, and you decide what you think is better. Now the iPhone I shot 1080p, this one I shot 4K, which I'm very disappointed, I'm going to tell you right now. So let's take a look at them. The iPhone's going to be up top, and the GoPro will be down here. iPhone here, GoPro here. All right, let's check it out. They're a little close. I had the iPhone closer to the actual birds, so it may look like it's better, but the GoPro didn't do too bad of a job. But the iPhone, I kind of like better after I looked at all the video that I've shot. I'm going to try to shoot the rest of my video with the iPhone 10 Pro Max. The only nice thing about the GoPro is it's easy to get up into tight places. But I shot it at 4K, and the other one I shot at 1080p. I don't know. I mean, you guys be the judge. Peace out.